chere yasenka nyoma bi okroma no say. You see, one day we may cross the Rubicon. You can't say you be cross Rubicon at here.
This was shame, say.
Unso okwe Italia. Titimire mo nom ka Rubicon e nso obi twa omo achi bio.
Okay.
Unso soldier for ewura wo. Ebna masha tisi. One day on betia sim no e bia nti asem papa bio.
Serious.
And you see I nkofo bi wo ho social media mu nemam sa no mani age o violence more fire enya suban papa. What is the process? Yakoto abo pandai yakoto aba no NDC candidate and no member of parliament no elusu seat no to Yindam mama history kakra bete obo ni nti asem na ye no.
Sure.
From 1992 NDC di pandai to 2016 ana Yindam beje akunya no.
Yeah. 2020
eno lusu ye to the current NDC candidate to the court no. And 2024 Yindam sa beje akunya no. It wo sha omu mienu no. Omu history. Akwata se. Na asam ne ye no the court. Niema no edoso, ba niema ni bi ni se omo dwen se 41 out of 152 polling stations e wo pandai de omo na results no e ban ne de wan e won krata so no enya dwen.
Yeah.
And omo de kodan Tamale High Court because pandai wo northern region. Again omo san say EC official ni movie coalition no every pandai e de akọ Tamale different district no. Officially one more NDC candidate no ye key stakeholder and amane.
Okay.
What you say? Again, almost any maybe cause so any other things. Na court to Nhyira so can say. Sadia was 30 days young election for fro. Now a big argument say adena NDC you know explicitly anchor when the relief for Nimusa say in court and the cancer. The civil procedure out of our country. The court is not limited to just the reliefs who are court abesiki.
Yeah.
The court can make general reliefs.
Yeah. And
judgment to guide future proceedings of the court.
Sure. Yeah.
So that is a fact. You are in them kasa baby me tie ni bia o kasa
Sure.
So no there or a citizen or the tomb but obe fight it.
Sure.
Now unim say enkom and today no kra o court on the 24th no. Omo ye stay of execution on the court appeals court. No say about parliamentary election the last appellate court is the appeals court.
Yeah.
Into our court appeals court who akoye stay. CI 19 already as amended by CI 132.
Sure.
A stay of execution is not an admission of a stay of execution. So we intention metoka and just what
car. Yeah.
But speaker ka says so be file sa de na. O kan see ntiza na wa kan na. Say unya 7 days. Within 7 days it ya sam na ebo no. Na amono still 7 days in apply. After 7 days that is when you can enforce the ruling of the High Court.
And which has
Eti bi ne anopamno lawyers 3 akasa. Nyomo ka kire me say based on the CI 19 as amended by 132 ni speaker bagwe na onye boni
bia. Yeah.
The second point I want to raise that MPP so issue ne say and the crown no frame motion of appeal no. Ento ma dwuma nka ye ntwe na bibia nko wie. Ansa na ye ka say declare seat ni vacant. Ye declare seat ni vacant. Is that lawful? For me, I see that argument as a more of a moral assuasion.
But it's here, Eugene. It's here. My main came out. 27 one no.
Minim the make can say speaker na there or the mara and I adwuma. The MPP can me Eugene Osei-Tutu there me who say it's more of a moral assuasion.
You who say nkasa na ye.
Nka ye ni say. You see, parliament are masters of their own laws.
Yeah.
Conventions are not necessarily laws. Right?
Yeah.
Laws are codified.
Sure.
Conventions are not codified.
Yeah.
To say multimedia, men kasa me kodjon so ni me wura me dwai. Emrebia and Bramium. But conventionally it doesn't make sense. So be ko bi obabi awi oye na ko na deja. What I say? So it's not a law.
Yeah.
So someone tiase kura na kokwa. Is the how
you approach it.
The MPC sabe enkurasem na no mo ye no. And for me, especially the minority MPs, because Michelle proceedings be wakasa. Majority leader by kasa mo se monti ase. Sa na parliament tie, wo kasa wi a, na wonu ano so akasa. Se chini wo ho a, ebia mo be ko conclave ma ko kasa kakra ebia leaders ko kasa no ma ba na say speaker be ruling on the matter. For example, last week privileges committee you know Yera mama pa ekasai majority leader making the case we no kasai and speaker kasa ma be ruling on the matter no be ruling. So why won't you allow the majority side to also speak? That is the first issue. Again, majority no so no omo kasa no chomo nsa the tantrums aso omo mienu nyina minim ba bia suban ne ye free aba
ti asososo
bad
ya sososo
bad akokwa the institutions and you see all the angle be bema na ye mede unim say the bia tama corruption scandal yi bai o ka say me ka kire me I do have a lot of cash. I do a lot of transactions. Akokwa so who send this kebi pan and so be send even just about $5,000 $4,000. Akokwa enka ta wo be sensan me be Clement Bogu Jefu from Musano. I nearly called him on one of the banks just last month.
Right.
You see? But nya tiska we akoto down ha, we akoto down ha na mbeka say. Me di minyaya. Bank of Ghana. FIC, SEC, Yanchu Munina press conference, probably Musawam. So, how did these transactions go through? Because some of state agencies,
it's a monetary
because banking system now, we treat you say to 20 common people. No, I say a bankrophobia, a different.
Yeah.
Ye di matam sa makase, ya we accuse you no from for
Ghana.
Because yes, you look everything in politics. Akwanya wan say allegedly obitimi to down 1.something million dollars na entrega alambia okrowe mu me kan ye say you fight state agencies no 2020 and no pay you see and I always say when you have principles akokwa meduma we wo ye now principles usro
sure.
When people attack you, people say whatever.
No prayer back.
December 10, 2024. Me true post be face. Thomas. They say our politics have over the years grown so polarized and adversarial that elections resemble a battlefield. We need to activate a full-time peace industry. Ye kotoba ni started as of for ye mompaye. Tamper mi jabo kre 2016 me jabo.
Ye to abampaye. Na say aglo ni ade
when state institutions work, you don't need prayers. And I'm a can't 20 December 10, 2024. Jeff, which my conference with Penu Akutwa. Or see, we need and I'm now when a party loses, some view it as an opportunity to claim the spoils of war. This destructive mindset undermines the very essence of democracy, where power transitions should foster progress, not plunder. The post-election staggery and deaths must be thoroughly investigated. I doubt we did for 2020. We always miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. We must not this time. And I make say 2024 tagri full soldiers no must Tommy collation centers police it mean come because abaya san funa ye hu ni TV so no. How can a police officer not arrest obia or go contrary to law ne so Tachima Sat yes so. Unse no mo kono. Unse po IGP ni ho. Mo na magum wani ma si. Ma memra yisi so. Ya trauma we move for 4 years. A whole geographical area enya representative in parliament. 4 years. Ye voter registration 2024 ko hwe yisi Facebook page. The percentage we ba na ebro 100 no ma besesa no. Omo kan we bom no ma besesa no e no mo ye sa de ni nyina na endorse ya because omo we mu no NDC wa be ma omo ye CPR MPP wa be ma omo ye CPR omo ko opposition pe omo nim ni omo ye wa be mu nti no na omo start ni omo ni June 2025 Evans Mensah ebusa Yewra Justice Kodua isi eseri gajasi en yo medi o support
also onkonoko
also omunko MPP timi kabida na asasa few years ago no timi nkasa. That is why the BIU just say me better me
even time and normal day elections registrations
yes
normal day court district
yes.
If manful bin timi mfa kan
yes.
These people JFK more defend
yes.
Oh yema yisi ni nya adwuma
yes.
But in opposition is a difference
pusiga so EC official be without Obia notice echo transfer near what happened to that EC officer Panda EC officer. Put in some free Miami independent checks.
Sure.
This guy, after the full case has been discussed, must be held, must be prosecuted.
Sure.
But to see politician no then the state institutions will hide behind them and perpetuate some of this incompetence. 2020 maybe a hiring a issue. No, they member Bossman Asari or Parliament. No man say do you know what it will mean? Say Ghana akwa to a presidential election for a period. Anything can happen. And the end also because Obama state agency be a PRO. They forget say when they should pretend over incompetence of state agencies, that same incompetence will deal with them in opposition. And don't the bedruano. And the bedruano. So let's fix state institutions. It was say easy cannot get a proper statistician. I respect the and we say be a crojians and
national level. It may be pushed to result 3 times. Review results.
Okay, no be and say oh na and MPP for making won't comment more fire and this for to be jam almost be from these things.
But remember Tracy was some okay for institutions near the end also. Na share idea working share electoral commission.
Yeah.
Share the House of Parliament.
Yeah.
Omo performance Afro barometer. Share CDD. Members of Parliament. On baby I reduce it.
Yes.
And look at the electoral commission. Electoral commission there crowd there was so.
Now akoko we are 2024
2022 to 2024.
So this is like
so the period
13 years from 2012 na easy confidence won me I transfer for barometer I won't trust there.
Oh yes indeed.
59%. 2024 we have answer near Kotoa now do 28%.
See how it's
28 by 28 56. So the confidence in the EC have reduced even more than 100%.
Yeah.
This is Afro barometer.
Serious.
Members of Parliament 49
me far data we na me say this is not surprising to me what parliamentarians were doing.
I hope I had there. I did be interesting. Whilst the court
I was joining your Facebook in a
you see as an answer I have to be very careful. Whilst MPs opposition parties ruling parties president police court electoral commission obia approval rate in confidence Ghana for whom according to Afro barometer less than 30%. Court depend 35. Look at the confidence in the Ghana forces.
I confirm. Me
stress on that. Me stress on that. But just suppose the Burkina. Guinea. Benin. Mali.
But it's not surprising because before 2024 elections, okay, say there were some you say survey by even Musa Dako, I think his survey no should be people preferred military rule over a democratic rule. So I'm not surprised with this percentage.
Confirmation.
Yeah.
This is why akokwa. And we show when state agencies state agencies the confidence in state agencies are going down because we have over politicized. Nancy I am GPS tension may analyze one crime data and the minister bekan you. Yes, I'm pepper panasem. And then this is for done in the PRO. Don't forget say police no echo for man. Oko opposition say police no echo for man unprofessionalism of the police and what they be treat you.
Yeah. So
it is better you reset, you fix the incompetence of state agencies. And I am Parliament AC. Me say 2024 me and I've said it severally. The entire about merely concession no na me den no e ye be say.
Yeah.
2024 imagine Bamia didn't consider
Kasem.
And on also be a comment to so ye ginam ye be wini any bibi bia betimi yes
the men sensitive here one in
no mutifie so hu it mean there akokwa this is a wake up call for all of us. We need to be careful.
Sure.
It's a democracy we are running. Unu be na dia ka dey bia me can on private time because they na akokwa me comment section me ntumu da o
obehwe asre
da bi na akokwa udi matam na da bi na den na si so disagree the person but say what yes referee wakunwam all the MPs are camera catch especially on the minorities they must be held before the privileges committee.
Sir I didn't say precedence, no. The 8th Parliament, the Omoye Brani ye speaker. Nothing happened to any parliamentarian. Yejano sana Omaya Nyari. Okay. Those times Muntaka, the others, Collins, Monia. Look at what they did over there. But at the end of the day, Yanyo Biari.
Some number can say we always miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. No?
So Parliament,
8 Parliament, they see, you know. Carlos Kofa paper, Yehuyana Yehu, Opeke electoral material. Is it a crime or is not a crime? Carlos says, be a privileges committee, a suspend or salary, be a 3 months. Muntaka could chase, you know. Maybe a Munta council action, maybe a no say, ya charge you, and see BBR. See, Auntie BBR. Yeah. Auntie, new MP now, Abano. Oh, she happened in an auntie.
More you know her.
And then, Sike Kasa. Mo chairman muntie enti akra no wo school ni teacher ni kire na dia the same thing.
But when him say very interesting trend just a year ago the same idea minority majority kasa no mo so ye you know. You see the same thing happen. Okay, say na Sam George LED marching be wo parliament.
Yes. The same na so munyo mo ye.
Na LED marching na mo march destructive proceedings.
Yes.
No mo they walk it out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then time
baby don't go two praises what time of reconfiguration of parliament
sure yes. And so you see say yan transia man okre anya adwuma me hu say both side no in discipline
yes
e wo mo side on parliament na e too high so mo say
ana kwakwa issues na trigger wo mo no he asama e chichiri
trivia
me friend lawyers me kwa na ramje say janu anumre say me kodu fia na atijina mu na me friend lawyers say me chichiri me mu akwakwa asama o mu chichiri me mu see ya na monti asia mapem lawyers 5
no much.
Let the debate continue.
Now we kasa
we are speaker making the rule on asia wako court
Eugene offer lawyers ade me hu see ya me call research ya me hu ye brofo most of the things cannot make meaning.
Yes,
me I didn't have any lawyer to explain to me.
Yes,
but what I said here brofo na woman na me kai and it's clear.
Yeah.
Some of the things I say be I perceive the diagro.
Yes.
If court
say omonano be some the politics town kakra. That's the issue. Into me and I think say also masha say ade. Comedian me makuma bi dan ke bi metwe bet wo mu. Me dia o ka bet bebem. Me le bi fucking say we no mu say dan hu me go bet 3 bi afam. Bet you camera and capture me. That's on
right, I think we are getting ready now.
That's on the lighter side, but we need to have a firm judgment on some of these practices in Parliament, and a good obstacle, and a good obstacle, and especially at the time when you debate budget estimate. So you debate budget estimate are appropriate. A serious matter like this, any other than anyway. Almost so the scrutiny we would have wanted from the opposition side to give us their version, for us as journalists to also put all the two sides on the table, do a fact checking of same. No, we've missed that opportunity.
Okay,
because of some of these issues, and for me, that is where we need to have a bit of decorum.
Yeah.
Akwa unu bi nyadwa de bia meka decorum. Sabe enya kwasiase enya ntokwa enya nsaketo. Eye brain power, and this is Parliament. A house of intellectuals.
Sure.
They must act as their name.
Right.
Honorable no na so. If you say you are an honorable person, when ye wusu and no ban, and send your way near man, it must reflect in the title that you have.
Okay. Eugene, thank you very much. Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact check and out in Nhyira 104.5.